In this video we will make a form with two wings used for canopies and a central building. We'll make the components of the central form as well as the canopies in the next video. Create a new file conceptual mass type either metric or imperial as desired. Save the file in the folder of your choice. Go to one of the elevations and create two new levels. Hold the level 2 and make its height 400 mm and hold the level 3 and make its height from the level 2 as 25,000 mm. That is 25 meters. Open Level 2 Plan View and draw a circle at the intersection of the two planes and with a radius parameter as radius lower. Hold the circle and check inside the box center mark visible and is reference line. Align the center of the circle with both the planes. And lock. In the same manner, create a circle at level 3 plane and align the center mark with the reference planes and lock. The radius of this circle is named as radius upper. Change the lower radius to 14 m and upper to 8 meters. Hold the two radii and create a form. This is the reference image. Go to level 1 and place two reference planes as shown here. Place a dimension line between the three planes and press equal. Create a dimension parameter between the two planes. Name it as D1. Place two more planes on the either sides equal and create a dimension parameter as D2. In the same way create a third dimension parameter D3. Change the values of D1, D2 and D3 to 25, 30 and 35 meters respectively. Name the planes as 1, 2, 3 on the right side and as 1B, 2B, 3B on the left side. Set plane 3B and got to west elevation. Using the tool center ends arc, draw a semicircle on the 3B. Copy this to the clipboard and from there paste it to the same place and then change the plane of the copy to 2B. Now we have a semicircle at the plane 2B as well. With the help of arrow keys, shift this arc upwards. Change the radius of this arc to 12 meters. Set plane 1B and place one more arc at a higher distance and of lesser radius. Go to level 1 plan view and place an arc as shown. Go to 3D view and hold the 4 arcs together with the semicircle of the radius upper and create a form. Dissolve the form for a while and mirror all the arcs on the other side of the central plane. Go to the south elevation and lock all the arcs with their respective planes. Go to the 3D view and create the two forms. Hold the forms and divide surfaces. From the drop-down menu, change to rhomboid surface. Divide the surfaces of the central form and change to the rhomboid surfaces. Please like, share and subscribe to show your appreciation.